Okay, welcome to college orientation video number 2. We've got in here information of how to navigate around this software system. Okay, so now you see we have an avatar, which is LeBron James Jr. This is all the information that comes from the coaching platform on all the assignments and things that we have that will be coming out for you to do. We do not want to kill you, inundate you, give you more information than you can handle. You're going back to school. You got a lot of work that you need to do. You already have schoolwork if you're already in school and it's not the first of school, but you definitely want this to help you and not add more pressure to you. Okay, so what we're going to do is show you how this software system works. So what we're going to do is log in as if we're LeBron James Jr. Okay, and so we'll go here, we'll switch it, and so when you go in, we're going to actually log out real quick because this is actually what you see on your login screen. Click this out, and so when you get to your login screen, it'll look a lot like this. Okay, so you'll put in your email address and your PIN number, and then you can log right on into the software system. Okay, and so we're going to go back over to our avatar, and I'm going to log in and see that's the PIN code that you'll be emailed once we get you set up. Okay, and so from that point, you'll log in, and then the first thing you want to do is go to your dashboard. Look at all the things that you'll be assigned, and you won't get assigned much. It's a 12-month program. It's not a 12-day, 12-week. It's a 12-month program. So we want to make sure we spread this out and we don't overextend you on what you need to do. But we do want you to get this stuff done because it's critical. So the first thing you'll see is one of the things that'll talk about, college career assessments and orientation and stuff like that. So for here, you'll click on, and so you'll see in here, it'll show you, it hadn't been completed yet. So when you do complete it, you can take it there, or if you're starting on it, you can go there and put it in progress. Okay, and so from there, you click on that hyperlink, and it takes you over to how to do your career assessment. This is going to show you the top 5 careers that you should get involved in. If you're self-sufficient, don't need the training video, you can take that link and do it all on your own. Do your own 15-minute assessment test. Okay, if you're more of a hands-on person and you want to be told kind of or walk through the process of how to do it, you can go to the training video. Training video is here. It's already in YouTube. You click on it, and it's my crazy voice. Okay, this is the training video for how to do your career assessment test. And so, first of all, what you'll do is you go in here and type in your name. Tell that guy to shut up. All right, so now we're going to go in there, and you can basically, every last one of your to-dos will have the link to do what it is you need to do to complete your task, and then the training video will be there. When you finish this work, please take that to complete it, and please post in here however you felt about it. I mean, if you got your top 5 careers, post those out there. If you felt that the information was crazy and you don't have any interest in those fields, post that out there. Okay, but just go through that process and make sure you understand everything that's going on. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to click in here under testing, and so under the testing tab you can select the next ACT testing date. Okay, so you can click on that, put your scores in there, and that's going to be very, very critical for you to understand how you rank in comparison to other schools. Colleges, you'll want to go in there. Again, this was an avatar, so there's another tab in here you can't see, but I'll show you from a live student as well. So you can go in there and click on add a college, type in the name of a college. I can go in there and put, let's see here, what's this, Clark in Atlanta, right? So I can click on that, add it to the list, bada bing, there's Clark, right? So there you go. And so then from that point you can click on the school, double click on the puppy, and it'll take you in, show you all the information about the school. Alright, and so a lot of HBCUs or other schools, this is Aviation Institute, so this is a small school, not going to see much information there. And so there, we're going to go back because I know Clark's bigger than that. So then we'll go into files, and you'll see files we already have preloaded out here. Emails, if you got any thing you want to email us, just click on that, and that'll send an email directly over to us at College Coaching Network. And then also under files, I forgot to do this, you can, under there, upload your own files. So if you want to put your resume out here so you can send it from this software system to whoever you want to send it to, you can do that. And then your calendar events, which is pretty awesome, you go in there and just add something to your calendar and type in the title, start date, completion date, what it is you're doing, or if you got to meet somebody, what have you, any notes, and then just press this button. It'll send a message to you via SMS, text message, and email, and to your parents or whoever's helping you with college all at the same time. And it also can do it hours, days, minutes, what have you, before the actual event takes place, which is awesome. So we'll cancel this out because I don't have a real event. You can do that for the month, for the week, or for the day. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video real quick. I want to show you a live student of mine so you can see another feature that this software system will do. Alright, we're back. We're into Jalen's his avatar. This kid is amazing. Just to be on the lookout for him. He is definitely going to be a very, very successful young man. So if you notice, because he's a live actual student, not just an avatar, but you'll see under the application outline, you'll see the schools that he has in there, and then also you'll see one of the schools he's looking at is Howard University, and all the priority deadlines are out there for the schools that you're interested in. It tells you, we get that information from the school. You can call and verify it on your own or email them, but we get that data directly from the school, and it comes out at the beginning of the school year for each one of the universities. So you see those priority deadlines and regular decision dates out there for each one of those schools that report the information, of course. So if you look under him, his priority deadline is November the 1st. Application, whenever he submits his application, he can just check completed. Common application, when he's done, complete it. You know, you can do that all the way across the board, right? All that information, I've been accepted, yay. Deferred, I'm deferred. On the wait list, have not been accepted, right? So all that information you kind of have out there. All this information, if you choose to do it at November the 1st, or if you want to make your regular decision on February the 15th, you can do that. Let's say he wants to stay ahead of the game and do it November the 1st. You come over here and you go to the calendar. And if you notice, let's jump over here to November. Boom, it's already on his calendar. And so all that stuff is going to send a text message to him to alarm him that he needs to hurry up and get that paperwork done in regards to his early decision to get accepted into Howard. So this is a great tab that keeps you accountable on not missing your deadlines and things of that sort. That's all I have for college orientation number 2. Again, it's dashboard. That's where your assignments come from. Add your ACT test scores, choose your schools, be able to stay on top of not missing your deadlines, upload your resumes and your files and things of that sort. Emails. Make sure you email us if you have any questions, and then make sure you get things on your calendar so you will not miss deadlines or miss opportunities. All right? Have a great day.